Hello,
How are
teacher.
you today?
I'm good.
That's right. Okay, we're going to have now our speaking practice, and let's start with pictures 1 and 2. So tell me what's in picture 1
In
and in
picture,
picture
in picture one, a the bus.
2.
In picture, but in picture two, a car.
Mm,
In picture one, a cinema.
mm,
But in picture two, a bus station.
correct.
In picture one, a supermarket.
Mm-hmm.
But in picture two, a sports center.
Okay.
In picture one, a library.
Mm-hmm.
But in picture two, a cafe.
Mm.
In picture one, a park car. But in picture two, a
Food stall.
food store. In picture one, a circus.
Mm-hmm.
But in picture two, a park.
Okay. Finish?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's have the second part. Jenny, you are going to tell me which one is different. Okay, let's start with number 1. It's
One is car
very good. And what do you call the 3?
because it's food.
Food, correct. Number 2.
Number two, a penguin.
What is a penguin?
It's animal.
Very good. And the 3, they are
They are
parts of
part of
body.
body.
Okay, number 3.
Number three is
Okay, it's a
a
town.
child.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what's this?
Farmer.
Mm-hmm.
Cook.
And
Singer.
singer. They are
They are
jobs.
jobs.
Okay, number 4. It's
Number four is doctor.
mm-hmm. Okay, what is this? Forest.
Forest. River. Beach.
They are
They are
places.
place.
Okay. Thank you, Jenny. That ends our test. See you around. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.